and welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we are going to fix the issue where your Snapchat application is not opening on your Android device. So you may just head over and follow up these fixes, and that should probably help you open up the Snapchat application once again on your device. So what we can do is we can access our settings application for that and go over and look out for the apps option. So scroll down, find the apps and tap on it. And once you tap on apps, you may scroll down and find the Snapchat or search the Snapchat at the top and select it. Once you select it, you can clear the Snapchat cache. Scroll down, find the storage option and select it. After that, just go over and tap on clear cache and fix it. This is one of the most quick fixes for your app issues that should remove temporary files that may be corrupted but leaves your memories and other data intact. Apart from that, you can try force closing the application also. So within here, look out for the force stop option in the bottom right corner and select it. After that is done, you can tap on OK to confirm it up. And once it is confirmed, you can just go over and reopen the Snapchat application once again on your screen. Apart from that, you can restart your phone. Hold the power button for that and look out for the restart option and select it. After that, restart your phone, as a quick reboot can often fix a variety of app problems by refreshing your device's memory. Also, check your internet connection. You can go to settings for that. And within your settings, go to connections and tap on it. And here, look out for the Wi Fi or the mobile data that you're connected and ensure that you have a stable Wi Fi or mobile data connection. You can try switching between both of them and try accessing the Snapchat application once again. And if that does not work, you can just go over and reinstall the Snapchat application. Hold Snapchat and go and look out for this uninstall option and confirm it up. After that, you can go to your app store and just go over and reinstall it. And that's it. You can try out the solutions if you want to fix the issue of your app not being opened on your Android. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.